for a free ride. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to sing Rain on Me from Lady Gaga and Ariana Grande. So let's sing something. La la la. Throughout this whole video, I'm going to be referencing to my cheat sheet. You're welcome to download it. Just go to vocalfreebies.com, click on cheat sheets, and then click on Rain on Me. There's also several other Ariana Grande and Lady Gaga songs there as well to print out those cheat sheets. Why not? Throughout this entire video, we're going to be focusing a lot on really opening up your mouth and allowing the sound to come out. This is going to make the song a whole lot easier to sing. So the vowel sounds, I guess you could call them that you're going to be focusing on are ah, eh, ah. Make sure that as you're saying these and you're practicing them, that you keep your mouth all the way open, nice and oval, and not pulled back. I didn't ask for a free ride, rather than I didn't ask for a free ride. Now I'm going to take those vowels and put them into the words of the song so that way you can learn to create that space. I didn't ask for a free ride. I only ask you to show me a real good time. I never asked for the rainfall. At least I showed up and showed me nothing at all. Really opening up that space as you're going into that sound. As you're singing verse 1, I want you to make sure that you place your sound up and forward rather than from the bottom. So the difference would be if you're placing it from the bottom, you feel your stomach kind of contract and it feels like a little bit tight. So it would be more of I didn't ask for, or like you're pushing to get up there. I want you to think of it lifted all the way up in here, kind of like a crazy face, and you pop the sound out and forward. I didn't ask for a free ride. And I want you to stay up there. Don't drop back down. I didn't ask for a free ride. I'd also like to reference to my video called How to Lift Your Soft Palate. That's going to give you this big open space that I'm talking about in more detail. And that link to that video is down in the description below. Pre-chorus with just Lady Gaga. It's coming down on me. Oh, on me. Water like misery. It's coming down on me. I'm ready. Rain on me. Kind of confused, and you're like, how am I going to remember all these words? Print out free cheat sheet. Yeah. On this first pre-chorus with Lady Gaga, I want you to really make sure that as you place that tone, you're sending it forward and not picking up from the note before. So most likely when you sing the section, it's coming down on me, you're gonna put too much weight on the it's coming, and you're gonna pull up and it's gonna have all this weight pulled from the bottom. I don't want you to do that. I want you to think of it's as being the high note. It's with that lifted face that we just talked about and leading it forward, almost like a rubber band reaching forward. It's coming down on me, keeping it on that same platform rather than dropping down and back up. If you want more detail on how to do that jump and a little more steps, then there is a link down in the description for my YouTube video called Stop Your Voice from Cracking. Better or more describing it so you'd be like, oh, okay, I get it. Now we're going into the chorus with Lady Gaga. The open vowels that we're using are I'd rather be dry, but at least I'm alive. Rain on me. Rain, rain. At the end of I'm alive, she adds a trill, which are 3 notes sung really, really quickly. And the best way to approach this that I like to do with my students is give it numbers. 1 being the low note and 5 being the high note. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. But at least I'm alive. It's a trill. I'm alive. 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. I also have a video on how to sing riffs and runs that breaks down this number method that I'm talking about in a little more detail, and that link is in the description below. Throughout this entire course, I want you to really focus on the vowels, opening up on those vowels, keeping that lift and making sure that it's sending it forward. You can also add like a cartoon sound, which is really thin and kind of pingy sounding. I'd rather be dry, but I guess, oh wait, what was it? But at least I'm alive. So really kind of thinning it out that way will also help with your high note. If you want a little more detail on how to sing whistle tones and high notes, hey, guess what? I have a video. And the link is down below in the description to go over that in more detail as well. Oh, I'm sweating so much. This is what I do for you guys. Moving on to verse 2. Now this is where Ariana Grande actually steps in and starts singing. The open vowel tones of verse 2 are living in a world where no one's innocent, but at least we try. Gotta live my truth, not keep it bottled in, so I don't lose my mind. What are all these different letters that she's going over? Go to vocalfreebies.com, click on cheat sheets, print out my cheat sheet, come back here and follow along, and then you'll totally know what I'm talking about. On the second verse, Ariana Grande actually does a trill on the word innocent and in. Gotta live my truth, not keep it bottled in. 1, 2, 3, in. Into the pre-chorus with Gaga and Ariana Grande. The open vowels are I can feel it on my skin. Teardrops on my face. Let it wash away my sins. Let it wash away. Yeah. I want you to really make sure that you're not bobbing up and down. The notes go up and down and they move, so there's a tendency of you shifting your weight. I can feel it in my skin, like, I don't want you to think of that. I want you to think of like you're saying the words and you're sending them across the room and you're really focused and each one is bulleting forward. I can feel it in my skin. So it really arrows all the way forward rather than an up and down movement. Ariana also does a big trill, not even really a trill, a big ad lib at the end of Let It Wash Away. Let it wash away. I highly suggest with any of these ad libs or trills that we go over that you get the cheat sheet. It not only has the numbers of what I'm talking about, but it also has the names of the notes. So you can get easily a free piano app, pound it out on that app, slow it down, then speed it up, and bam, you've got your trill. And on to chorus number 2. This is when, again, Gaga sings different notes from Ariana Grande, kind of like work together somehow, some way. Gaga is the one that sings the higher notes and Ariana Grande is the one that sings the lower note. Picking apart whatever fits your voice, whatever works with you. If you want more details on how to sing harmony, how to break it down, how to do it without a piano, guess what? I got a video on that one. The link is down below. It's called How to Find Harmony Without a Piano. On the cheat sheet, it says what videos are suggested for what sections of the song. Gotcha. I gotcha. Now we're on to the post-chorus ad-libs in this song. Throughout this entire song, they've been saying rain on me. However, she starts to do her ad-lib. She uses may instead of me. Rain on me instead of rain on me. I also went through and I broke down all of the ad-libs. They're in this cheat sheet as well. If you guys want an additional video showing you how to do the ad-libs on this actual song, comment below and let me know that you want me to make a video breaking it down for you. Finally, we're on to the bridge. Yay! Hands up to the sky. I'm about to fly. And then last but not least, they go into the chorus, which we've already gone into the details of how to approach the chorus from the previous notes. The last section is the outro, which is I hear the thunder coming down. Won't you rain on me? I hear the thunder coming down. Go ahead and click here if you haven't yet already downloaded my free cheat sheet on how to sing this song. Click here for a playlist of all of the different songs I've broken down by Lady Gaga and Ariana Grande. And come hang out with me in my Facebook group. The link is down below. I will see you in the next song. La la.